How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you what you can do if you're facing problem with the Messenger video call. So firstly, open Messenger on your device. In Messenger, make sure you are logged in to your right account. Now from the chat section, tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner. From the slide that appears, click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Now you will land to the settings page. In the settings page, scroll down and select the option Notifications and Sound. Inside Notifications and Sounds, you will see the first option, Do Not Disturb. Now make sure that this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, then this may be the reason that you are facing this kind of problems. Now go back to your home page and also check for updates that may be available for Messenger. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and look for updates. Now open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to the General option and tap on iPhone Storage. Now look for Messenger app and click on Offload app. This will clear your cache and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.